Chapter 1 Computer Fundamentals. Early Calculating Devices. Abacus. Abacus stands for Abundant Beats Addition and Calculation Utility System. Abacus was the first known calculating device. It is still used in many countries. It was made of a wooden frame with wires and beads on each wire. It was used to do simple calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Napier's bones. Napier's bones was developed by John Napier, a Scottish mathematician. It was developed to speed up long multiplication and division. It performed multiplication with repeated addition and division with repeated subtraction. The device had rectangular stripes of rods having numbers on them. These rods were made of bone, ivory, wood, or metal. Pascaline. Pascaline is also known as arithmetic machine. It was invented by French mathematician Blaise Pascal. It was the first mechanical calculator that could only perform addition and subtraction. It consisted of a rectangular box with movable wheels. The user had to rotate the wheels to do the calculations. Difference engine. Difference engine was invented by an English mathematician, Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is also known as the father of computers. He was the first one to give the concept of programmable computer. Difference engine was designed to automatically compute the mathematical tables. It had a stored program to do calculations and print the results automatically. Analytical engine. Analytical engine was the world's first general-purpose computer. It was also designed by Charles Babbage. It had all essential units including input, output, storage, control, and mill where the processing was done. Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace was the first computer programmer to create the first algorithm intended to be carried out by such a machine. Tabulating machine. Tabulating machine was developed by Dr. Herman Hollerith. It used punched cards to take input, record, and store information. It was the first electronic machine that was capable of accepting input, processing it, and giving output. Mark I. Mark I was the first automatic digital computer. It also used punched cards to store the information. It was developed by an American mathematician, Howard H. Aiken. The main drawback of this machine was its huge size. Modern day computers. The computers we use today are classified according to their speed, size, cost, and storage capacity. Microcomputers. Microcomputers are the personal computers that an individual uses. They are slow, inexpensive, and have less memory as compared to other types of computers. They are used in schools, offices, homes, shops, and banks. Desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and smartphones are microcomputers. Mini computers. Mini computers are bigger and more expensive than microcomputers. They are used in small to medium sized organizations. Many users can work on a mini computer at the same time. They have more memory and operate at a higher speed. VAX computer and PDP-8 are mini computers. Mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are more powerful than mini computers. They work at high speed and can do many tasks at a time. They are bigger and have large memory. They are mainly used in big organizations such as universities and government agencies. PDP-10 and IBM 390 are mainframe computers. Supercomputers. Supercomputers are the world's most powerful computers. They are used in areas such as weather forecasting, defense, space research, and aircraft designing. They can do calculations faster than any other computers of their generation. Cray, Param, Anurag, and Titan are the examples of supercomputers. Characteristics of computers. The computers are smarter than any machine. Why is it so? Because they have so many special characteristics. Speed. A computer works at a very high speed. It can perform complex calculations in a few seconds. Versatility. A computer can do a variety of tasks at the same time. It can do simple calculations to designing a spacecraft. Accuracy. A computer gives accurate results. It never makes mistakes unless the people using it give wrong data and instructions. Diligence. Do you get boring studying for a long time? Yes, I do. But a computer never gets bored in its work. It can continue to do the same task or different task for a long period of time. Large storage capacity. A computer can store huge amounts of data. These data can be retrieved quickly and easily. Now, we shall recall this chapter. Early calculating devices. There were many early calculating devices before the computer was invented. Abacus, Napier's bones, Pascaline, difference engine, analytical engine, tabulating machine, Mark I. Modern day computers. microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe computers, and supercomputers. Characteristics of computers: speed, versatility, accuracy, diligence, large storage capacity. Thank you, children.